So today I'm going to tell you how to do quick color grading in just 1 minute. First, we have to press Ctrl J to create a duplicate layer. And now we have to convert this layer to Smart Object. And now we have to go to the filter and then render and then lightning effect. And now we have to select a preset of parallel directional. And now adjust the light position according to your image and then adjust the light like this. And now select any light color. I'm going to go with this. And now hit OK. Well, if you want, you can adjust the opacity. I'll probably select this. And now here's the before, here's the after.